Hello, welcome to Genesis Tutors, and today we'll be talking about algebra. Now, algebra are mathematical expressions that uses both letters and numbers to show a relationship. Now, what this means is that algebra combines both numbers and your alphabet letters. For instance, we could say that an algebra could mean something like this: 4a. Now, 4 is a number and a is an alphabet. In this case, we call this the 4 a coefficient, and we call the a variable. So we could have an algebraic expression like this. We could have 4a plus 3a plus 5a minus 2a. Notice that all of these coefficients have a as their variable, and it makes it very easy to solve. It means that they all belong to the same family. For instance, a for apple. So all four of the algebraic expression belong to the apple family. So we could say 4 apples plus 3 apples plus 5 apples, take away 2 apples. So we know that 4 apples plus 3 apples will give us 7 apples. That's 7a plus 5 apples, 12 apples, minus 2 apples, 10 apples. So we have our answers to be 10a. Sometimes we are given algebra that isn't all in the same family. For instance, we have just looked at an example that showed us 4 apples, 3 apples, 5 apples, and 2 apples. But in some cases, we could have an algebra that is called unlike terms, just like we have this first one as like terms. Now, in unlike terms, the variables are usually different. What I mean by this is, let's take an example. We have 4a, let's start with 4a again, plus 2x minus 5a plus 3x. Now, we notice that we have 4 and 5 as the family members that are here, isn't it? So we'll match 4 to 5. And we have 2x and 3x as family members, and we match them together. Now, we'll say, let's illustrate it like this. 4 apples plus 2 xylophones. Xylophone doesn't belong to the apple family, so that's odd. Now, minus 5 apples plus 3 xylophones. So the apples are going to go to one side. We're going to group the apples at one side. So we'll have 4a minus 5a. Then we'll group the xylophones. Don't forget to take the signs at the front of each of the number. The sign at the front, not at the back. So I'm going to take plus, in this case, to plus 2x and then plus 3x. And then we have minus a plus 5x. This is a solution to this algebra. Now, let's do a recap of all we have learned today. We have learned about algebra, how algebra combines both letters and numbers. And we also learned about coefficients and variable. The number in an algebra is usually called a coefficient, and the letter is called a variable. And we took examples of like terms of algebra and unlike terms. And now I'm going to give you a home activity to do, and you can solve this and put in the comment section, or you send to genesishometoutors@gmail.com. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. So I'm going to give you just one of them to do, or two, one like term and the next is unlike term. So we have 5b plus 3b minus 6b, and then we also have 3x plus 2y minus 5y plus 2x. And see your answers in the comment section or to our email address. Thank you for learning with me today.